Hello, it's me again. Here's another video, and today is still January 7th, 2023, and right now it's about 11:38 in the morning. We're almost near like noon. They were here since 9 o'clock this morning when I was on the computer just reselling simple eBay items. That's part of my occupation. Yeah. So now they're still doing this work. That's why I'm videotaping this for a video album in the future. It will be remembered in 10 or 15 years how I had to tape it. That's the song I was humming. It was Indian Love Call from Jeanette MacDonald, Nelson Eddy. They were singing that in Rosemarie in 1936. I see 5 people there. One in the bulldozer and 4 over there individually talking. Boy, we've been doing like a lot of videos lately. Because this January's been so warm. It was not crazy cold as they did back in last January and this past December when we had a frigid Christmas. Just like the bulldozers from the Fraggle Rock. They're still doing it. I'll give you like a little close-up of what they're doing. There's the guy with the landscaping. Carrying the thing. Oh my god. It's freaking collapsing. This is plays a silly song that everybody can see. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. That's the dwarf silly song I learned from the Walt Disney Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, 1937. One of my favorite songs in that Disney movie, because I watch it all the time on one of my sing-along videos when I was a kid. Yeah, I always have these Disney tapes in my heart for memories. Yeah, I even love the classic series came out in the 80s, especially Robin Hood and Pinocchio. They were expensive to get back in 1984 and 85 for $79.95 or something, and $80. Yeah, they still sell that right on eBay for different prices for those copies. See these four men over there? They're still doing it. You just saw that they was just hammering that. That's the metal they just put down for like the length like the of this place to be open. What's that he's carrying? They're still here. Never a moment break. There's another one. That's another truck they were here for. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you a little later when I have more updates of like breaking things or something. Comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you like other previous videos. You guys take care, and I'll see you later. Bye.